What worries me is that that the economic downturn is gonna be longer and more severe than we're even expecting.
In Vienna, Virginia, outside Washington, financial worry, even in a relatively affluent town of 16,000.
It's gonna be lean, but we're gonna make it. One thing that we can draw on is our reserves. We have a rainy day fund, and this is a rainy day.
Vienna, a microcosm of what every city, town, and village faces as coronavirus wipes out revenue, as people stay home and stay away from restaurants and shops. Every locale is different, from its finances to the kind of industry it has, all hit by the virus in different ways. It could all mean fewer services at a time when people really need them.
Cities are essential. And because cities are essential, in absence of federal aid, things do not look good. And I just have to be frank with you, from the cities and city leaders that we've talked to, there are some cities, towns, and villages that aren't going to make it and are going to have to shut down.
The National League of Cities, representing 19,000 localities, is asking Congress for $500 billion to offset revenue shortfalls. Those shortfalls expected in 88% of cities this year. There could also be layoffs, up to 1 million municipal employees. In Vienna, most of the town's revenue comes from property taxes. The financial hit here, unknown for now. It does collect a meal tax, which pays for big projects like this community center addition.
We're seeing about a 40% decrease in sales in March, which restaurants were open for half that month. They really didn't close the other half. We're really afraid we're going to see something like a 75% decline.
Still, the town is moving forward with plans to replace its police station. Confident it's in a good place with that rainy day fund and a strong financial footing. Vienna is known for its festivals that draw big crowds, but with those canceled, the town green will stay silent. It also means the town saves money, avoiding costs that come with lots of people. Across the country, as tax receipts start to roll in from recent months, the news is not good for cities or states.
Every day that goes by where there isn't relief from the federal government, the situation grows increasingly dire and scarier.
Vienna has to adopt a budget by July 1st, and like other towns and states, it has to balance. The coming budget, likely $1 million less.
We are committed to having layoffs as a very last resort. So we've looked at all of our expenditures and where we can cut things.
In the middle of all this, Vienna is also electing a new mayor.
What I would say for my successor is, number one, to always keep the health and safety of our citizens first. That has to continue. I think that's really important. I also think fiscal responsibility is really important. We are in uncertain times, and the town has always had a tradition of being fiscally responsible.
One town, in one county, in one state, trying to look into the future, to predict the outcome of a pandemic and keep going.